everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Shiba Inu ship main developers thesis additional ship burning options. Last weekend was a wild one for the ship army as the Shiba Eternity card game launched in Australia while only available on iOS. At the time of writing, an Android version is expected to be made available in the following days. In other news, pseudonymous developers Satoshi Kusama stepped into such as new ways of burning Shiba Inu ship. According to reports, the new burn avenue will be set up in conjunction with the Shiba Eternity card game. The blockchain version of Shiba Eternity is still a development in a partnership with Playside Studios. $61 million worth of Shiba Inu set aflame in the last 24 hours, still not enough. The Shiba Inu burn rate reached its peak last week, hitting triple-digit gains for a couple of days. At first glance, the burn mechanism seems to be working well, with 61,032 90 $100 worth of ship set ablaze in the past week alone. However, despite the ship burn rate once again being up 42% as of Monday, 19th, it has hardly impacted the market price of Shiba Inu. To date, Shiba Inu burn campaigns have sent half of the meme coin's initial supply up in smoke. With additional ship burning methods like the Shiba Superstores and Ship Burn Radio being introduced, more and more members of the ship army are looking to contribute to the cause by burning their beloved Kenyan token to potentially raise its market value. Moreover, with the SB Visa card on the way, ship holders will soon be able to auto-burn a certain amount of tokens with every in-shop transactions. At press time, the Japanese Dow time coin traders at 0.00001076 after recording an 8.5% defeat over the last 24 hours. The savage bears have maintained pressure on Shiba Inu, driving into losses of 16.2% for the last 14 days. Despite this, the popular 2-year-old meme coin project maintains a healthy 37 gains for the year, according to CoinGecko. Warm clothes for the ship army as fall sets in. In related news, the Shiba Inu X John Rickman recruiting line is set to launch soon. The news was confirmed by English-Italian fashion designer John Richmond, who recently posted a sneak peek into the upcoming designs. The ship army's voice was heard by Champion, the American activewear brand, who have been vocal that many members of the ship army would enjoy a cozy Shiba Inu hoodie for the chilly fall. On the flip side, despite a series of upgrades, Shiba Inu ship begrudgingly added another zero to its market price, triggering an important support line at 0.00009 per dollars. Regardless of the steadily increasing ship burn rate, Shiba Inu's price movement seems to be unaffected. Blockcheck reports 2022 54.5 thousand NFT contracts have privileged functions. Block SEC and NFT Go 2022 report revealed 54.5 thousand NFT contracts allow privileged functions. 61.8% of NFT projects are offered centralized and 50% are capitalized by one user. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.